Hello, I'm Dimas Yunani at the Dutan channel. Today I will show you how to cook Indonesian dry curry. We call in Indonesian language is Rendang. What it is? 1.5 kilo beef, we cut square like this. 1 liter coconut milk, 5 milliliter water, big onion 1 piece, chili, 2 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic. Alright, lovely people, now we add olive oil. Lovely. Now we add authentic Indonesian rendang or Indonesian dry curry. Lovely. For chili and onion, we make pasta also. Lovely. Now we stir. Smell original rendang. This you can find in Asian market. Just you asking rendang or Indonesian dry curry. Lovely. We add beef. We put everything inside. Lovely. We stir. Now we add coconut milk. One liter. Lovely. We stir a little bit. But exactly to cook Indonesian curry, you need stirred and stirred every, let's say 5 or 10 minutes to make this meat well done and tasty from great seasoning from Indonesia. Alright, lovely people, now already 15 minutes. Now we add black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. We stir. And we leave it till 3 hours. But don't forget, you always check 5 or 10 minutes to stir and stir. Rendang Indonesian cuisine is so delicious and so perfect dish. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to make Dutan channel will be access always come in your house every time you need. Alright, lovely people, Now already 2.5 hour. I just to remind you, every 5 or 10 minutes you stir. You stir, you can see, lovely. We wait till 1 hour, everything is ready. Alright, lovely people, everything is ready. You see, until coconut milk will become oil. This is the correct thing. Very dry and soft, and we have black hair from coconut milk. This is perfect rendang. Now we try. I can show you how it is inside. Okay, very soft. Look. Galaxy, bon appetit, selamat makan, salam Indonesia.